Hello everyone. In this video we'll understand when the line, that is a linear graph, is parallel to x-axis. So general form of linear equation in two variable is written as ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. See, when a, that is coefficient of x, is 0, the equation transforms as 0 into x by is equal to minus c, or y is equal to minus c by b. Here we can see for any value we can write for any value of x, y will remain fixed. Y will remain fixed or constant, that is, it will not change. See, this we can show. Let x is equal to 0. Then our equation transforms as 0 multiplied by 0 plus by is equal to minus c, or y is equal to minus c by b. See, this is a special case. Reason being, by definition, when x is 0, the equation represents y-axis. So we know that by definition, when x is equal to 0, it represents y-axis. So it can be shown with the help of a graph. See, this is the origin, 0, 0 for x-axis and y-axis. See, when x is 0, value of y can be any fixed number. That is, it can have coordinate 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, similarly 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2. So when x is 0, it is actually representing y-axis because all the coordinates are lying on y-axis. So this can be represented in one variable also. So alternately, what we can do, we can draw it in this manner. Instead of making two variables, we'll just draw a line and make it y-axis. I have drawn it horizontally. You can draw it vertically also, whichever way you like. See, it is y-axis, hence by definition x is automatically 0. So the numbers you are plotting, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, are all in one variable. Okay, this is the special case when x is 0. So y-axis can be represented in two variable and also in one variable. This is the method of showing in two variable. And this is the way of showing in one variable. Okay, now let's take some other example, when x is 1 or some other values. Let's take x when x is not equal to 0. That is when x is not equal to 0. That is when x is equal to 1, our equation will transform as 0 multiplied by 1 plus by is equal to minus c. So y will always be minus c by b. Now let's take x is equal to 2. Again, since the here we have 0 multiplied by 2. The coefficient of x is 0. So we get y is equal to minus c, or y is equal to minus c by b. So similarly, we can show that for various values of x, the value of y is constant. That is, for any value of x, value of y is constant. And if we draw such a graph, we get a line parallel to x-axis. Such a graph is parallel to x-axis. This we can show by taking example. So let's take, the question is, let's take it as y is equal to 3. So our question is represent y is equal to 3 in two variables. Okay, so y is equal to 3. So our general equation can be written as 0x plus y is equal to 3. Here we must note that coefficient of x, that is a, is 0 and coefficient of y is 1. Okay, so let's take when x is equal to 1, so equation transforms as 0 into 1 plus y is equal to 3, that is y is 3. When x is equal to 2, 0 into 2 plus y is equal to 3, that is y is equal to 3. So we can keep any value of x, and for each value of x we are getting y is equal to 3. Let's take one more. X is equal to minus 3. So 0 into minus 3 plus y is equal to 3, that is y is equal to 3. So what we see, we get few coordinates here. See, when x is 1, y is 3, x is 2, y is 3, x is minus 3, y is 3. If we draw the graph for these coordinates, the 1, 3, 2, 3 and minus 3. Let's see. See, this is our x-axis, this is y-axis. So when x is 1, 2, 3. And here we have minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So y-axis we have 1, 2 and 3. See here y is 3. So let's plot for 1. When x is 1 we get point somewhere here, and 2, 3 we get point here, somewhere here, and minus 3 and 3 we get point here. So if we join all these 3 points, we get a straight line passing through y-axis. So this is our straight line. So now I can write my coordinates. Here it is 1, 3, 2, 3 and minus 3, 3. So this is the representation of y is equal to 3 in 2 variables, and this is a graph that is parallel to x-axis. Hope you understood the solution well. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.